Nikki Haley in the news, entering the race for president, and that's going to be unusual. We've got a good female in Nikki Haley entering the race. We'll see how that lasts. Inflation rising half of 1% in January, more than expected, and up 6.4% from a year ago. If you don't think inflation is real, it's out there. It's lurking. Things are costing more, and that's exactly where we're at today on this beautiful Tuesday as we get the day started. Well, good morning to everybody here in the room. Good morning to everybody on social media, and we're looking forward to hosting you today. Everybody on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Stock Twitch, YouTubers, and the TikTok community, good morning to you. Thank you for joining us. Thousands of people joining us each and every day in our specific social media platforms. And again, it's a great day to be with us because we've got a great group of traders here each and every day, and we're excited to have you be part of that. So join us. Jeremy, Rudolph, Tyrone, good morning to you. Good morning to everybody on YouTube this morning. Great to have everybody here. Awesome day in the neighborhood. Awesome day to be trading day today. We're going to get that volatility up. Volatility breeds that opportunity. Opportunity gives us the good fortune to make some money today. So let's talk about the markets here, get you settled for the day. Asian markets keying off of what we did yesterday. Nikkei was up 175. Hong Kong Hang Seng, the down market of 51 points, and the Shanghai in China up 9 points. Europe right now still holding on to some green here. German DAX up 13, FTSE in the UK up 16, CAC 40 in Paris up just 5 points. So relatively flat to up just a little bit. There's five markets up, one market down, putting pressure to the upside on the US of A futures, and they were up. They were up until we had the numbers come out. And the numbers came out, the CPI numbers came out, and they weren't that great. They weren't that good. They weren't that bad. They just weren't that great, and they're not helping us at all this morning. Dow futures now down 84. S&P futures 14 down to the downside. NASDAQ futures down 67 1/4. Oil is down $2.22 this morning. And if you're in the gold patch, keep saying 1900. We're going to get there one of these days. Gold up $4.20 to 1867.70 per troy ounce. Silver's down about almost 12 cents. Copper up, platinum down, palladium up this morning. Big numbers here for the inflation rising 0.5% in January. More than expected, up 6.4% from a year ago. That doesn't do good if you're in the market to win or in the market to save money. Inflation is a real thing. Burger King owner Restaurant Brands posting a strong fourth quarter. We've got that stock up. I'm watching that this morning here. Not a huge mover, but not too bad. And then Nikki Haley in the news here announcing her presidency run. So Coca-Cola revenue rising in fourth quarter fueled by higher prices, which is good. You're paying more for a Coca-Cola or Diet Coke or whatever that you drink, and that's how they have gotten this momentum here of making money. That's how most companies are doing it now. They raise their prices to you and I, the consumer, based on profitability, and that's what's been happening here as we get going. Well, prayers out there for Clifton. Clifton is sick again today, and he's not going to be joining us. So again, Aggie as well. So we got two of our soldiers down today. But hopefully they will bounce back here in the next couple of days. But keep Clifton in your prayers. Get him off the bed and back into the trading atmosphere. We miss him dearly as usual. Let's say good morning to everybody here in the room and on social media this morning. Good morning to you, Brian, this morning. Good to have you here this morning. Gil, good morning. Yeah. Luke, good morning to you. Mo, good morning. Mark M., good morning. Faisal, good morning to you. Amen, good morning. Kevin Ross, good morning. Sebastian, good morning. Yildre, good morning. Garrett, what do you say this morning? Scott V, good morning. Jack, good morning to you. Charles, good to see you here this morning. Chad, good morning. Good morning, Steve B. Good morning, Victor. Good morning, Seth. Carlos, good morning. And Brandon, how are you this morning? Good morning to you. Manuel. Alejandro, good morning. Rex, good morning to you. Shamsidin, good morning. Mehdi, good morning to you. Dan, yep, speedy recovery at Clifton. Ashuni, good morning to you. Lee, good morning. Mohammed, good morning to you. Tuan, good morning. Eamon, good morning to you. And good morning, Michael. Michael T, great to have you here. Emmanuel, good morning. All right, let's talk some stocks this morning. FSLR in the news. I think Yogi had touched on this stock here. This is one of my Shorts today, we're going to paint this one red. FSLR, short side here, 163 under will be short FSLR. And then PLTR, if you grab this here, 870 PLTR, we'll paint this one green. There we go. PLTR long, $8.70. Don't mess with stocks a bunch under $10, but PLTR popped up today, looks pretty good. And then SEDG, SEDG, under 295. Watch this stock again, not much volume here to really talk about, but we'll see if this stock continues to the downside. SEDG, short this morning, 295. And that stock's been coming down, obviously up over 326 yesterday, now down to 295. And then the other stocks that I'm watching this morning, ZTS this morning taking off. ZTS, watching that stock. NVDA to the downside, Meta to the downside, and then FSLY. Don't know what that stock's going to do. After the gap up yesterday towards the close, stock could start to run. And then QSR this morning to the downside. Marriott in the news this morning. That stock looks good over 176. I'll post that here. This is going to be Marriott, MAR. There we go, long over 176. And I'll pull that stock right down here. There's the MAR for Marriott, and we'll watch that stock here as we get going today. Good morning, Tim. Yeah, FSLR. Did I put FSLA? Yep, FSLR. Let me repost that. Thank you for the catch there, partner. FSLR, short this morning, and that's under 160. Okay. And it just slipped here this morning, so we'll have to watch that, see if it climbs here. We're going to be down at the open here, and then we'll have to see what happens with us today. Again, Clifton gone today. Gabe is here. If you need anything throughout the day, Gabe is part of the Tradenet support team, and he'll be here to help you. Craig Nehemiah, you heard from earlier. Yogi as well. Meir and I will trade this morning session here. We got 3 sessions as we do each and every day. We got the morning session that you're in right now, lunch at 11:30 today, and we close out the day at 4 o'clock today. Here's Meir. Good afternoon to you, friend. How are you?
Hi, Scott. Good. Hi, everyone.
Come the charts for you.
Thank you. Came in an hour ago. We were up 0.3%. Now it's just a small pullback, really.
Okay, we're pulling down here. Coin down pretty big this morning. FSLR as well. Watch PLTR on this pullback here.
It's not a big gap. Normally we should see some upside pressure, especially after yesterday's very strong upside day. It's too early for me to join in any trade right now.
Yep, just watching the market open right now. No reason to jump in there.
Like the daily of
NVDA getting flushed this morning, NVDA.
Market still moving down. Posting PLT or possible long. Long PLTR. 272. Market still pushing lower. S&P is already down almost 0.8.
Trade here. Okay, I'm going to take a coin trade here over yesterday's close. This is going to be a coin long, and this is going to be over 56.50.
If you watch the S&P and NASDAQ, you can see strong bottoming tails, which means we already have a pullback.
Hey, Meir, hey, Scott. Good morning, good luck.
Are you okay? Tesla responded very strongly to the upside. If the market is going to fail to move higher right now and move under the lows, this would be quite a strong downside declaration. We could go short if the market moves under the lows. BA is weak. I'm going to short BA under
I think Nvidia will fail. I'll take it for a short. Hopefully I will get a few points.
sure. I'm
Wow,
out of
Nvidia extremely
Microsoft.
strong.
Okay, coin target's going to be a little bit over 57 here. A little bit over 57 on coin.
I will let PLTR some space, even if it moves down under the lows. I don't mind much. Small stock. It's supposed to return. It's strong today, up 9%.
I'm about to short NVDA because I think this run up was a bit too much, too fast. 218. Take small share size, guys. Okay, I will cancel my order in NVIDIA because it looks like NVIDIA is extremely strong today.
So
Go on.
59.20 of the highs. We definitely should continue looking for longs. Not trade in BA, it definitely chose to move higher. I don't think I'm going to get a short today in BA, doesn't look like it anyway. Google is relatively weak. Yeah, I can remember the daily. It's a nice bear flag formation. Okay, the S&P is over the highs. We definitely should concentrate on longs. PLTR stop is now clearly under the lows, which means we're risking 20 cents and looking for approximately 20 cents. So target should be highs or a few cents over the highs, possibly. The fact that we moved over the highs definitely says that the market wants to move higher right now, but I'm still quite suspicious. Let's wait for the next candles. We're going to get more information very soon. Notice Google, how it's weak, relatively weak. Tesla's definitely relatively strong. Apple is kind of weak. There's a lot of stocks that you need to map right now, looking for weaker stocks, stronger stocks, and then once we get a clear direction, we can definitely look for some stocks. Oh, I can't believe I just saw Microsoft. I don't want to watch. I don't want to
Trade
watch.
SEDG. Okay, come on, coin. Coming out of the coin trade here, this will be my first trade, first green trade of the day, 57.24 out on coin. 3/4 of the trade. I'm going to let the rest ride here to the upside as we've got a nice move going right now on coin, C-O-I-N. Sedge no trade. Looking for PLTR for my next long here.
See Meta. I didn't take any trades yet. Meta
NASDAQ is
already above.
accelerating higher. I don't know, I kind of don't like Meta because it started very weak today, Shuni. I think it's moving up just because the market's moving up now. But it will be one of the probably the weakest stock today if the market's gonna fail. And I'm still kind of suspicious about the market moving up the way it just did. I mean, we had a huge upside day yesterday, so normally continuation is due.
No problem, Mark. Glad to help. Yeah, Sedge went to the upside, so that's not a trade here that I'm going to be willing to take here. I just came out of all shares coin, COIN, just as we approach this 58 mark.
NASDAQ is accelerating higher, very close to closing the gap. It's down now, just 0.15. It was down 1%. Crazy. Nvidia spiking to new highs. Tesla, Boeing, all of them very strong. There's nothing I would like to join right now. PLTR slowly approaching the highs.
Okay, my first trade today will be to short Microsoft under 271. The market is moving up sharply,
Yeah,
and
Yogi,
Microsoft.
get my revenge there.
Yeah, the market is moving up and Microsoft moving down, and I think it will fail. It will see a red candle in the market.
Now, if the market is going to continue moving higher, it's probably will join.
Wow, look at NVDA, that big, huge move higher. All of these reversals
Yeah,
looking so good.
NASDAQ closed the gap, turned green.
SPY's
It's
going
down
to do it too.
1%. Talk about volatility. This is crazy. S&P is approaching the point where it's going to close the gap. The question, of course, is what's going to happen once the S&P will close the gap, because normally that's the point of reversal, and the market is definitely too extended to the upside right now. So be careful if you're going long right now. The S&P doesn't have too much to go. Normally, it should stop real soon and bounce. Does not matter, it's gone. I mean, it could continue, of course, higher, but we should be bouncing.
The S&P indexes are extremely strong, and Microsoft are not even close to the highs. And I think Microsoft will fail today. 271.50, 70 cents.
20 cents on PLTR, maybe. Which means either it needs to touch the highs, or if it touches the highs, I think it's likely to move over the highs. So I will try and see if I can get it over the highs, and then maybe I get a little bit more. So 20 cent risk, 20 cent target approximately.
Wow, the S&P indexes are on steroids. And 20 cents away, Microsoft. Okay, guys, I'm about to short Microsoft. You can see why. It's extremely weak versus the market. Under 271.50 with 70 cents stop loss.
Yeah, I wanted to take a meta trade here on the short side coming underneath yesterday's close, 179.43. Market a little quick to rebound here. We'll see if this is going to stick or if we're going to roll back over.
Traders,
And I'm sure
what you're hearing here
Microsoft.
is a few traders who believe that the market is too extended and should pull back. So if you're thinking about going long right now, it's a bit extended. Going short, kind of scary, but I will have to join the opinion of Yogi and Scott here and looking for a stock that is too extended and could come down.
Microsoft needs to let's go from the VWAP. The market is still extremely extended and Microsoft not. Okay, the next candle should be red, right? In the S&P and the Qs, according to rules of physics. I mean,
Yeah, yeah, something like that.
I'm going to take this BA trade with Meir here on Boeing BA.
I'm going to short BA under
See if we can get
220.40.
this here.
Microsoft, come on, let go.
About to short BA.
I'm not going to touch Microsoft until 270. You know what I'm always saying, guys? The lows in Microsoft is 270.01, and I think we're going to test this 01.
Short.
So I'm not going to touch it until 270.
I'm short BA approximately $1 stop
Diamond
loss. I'm
ends.
definitely going to stop it over the highs. So I'm looking for a 1-point partial.
Come on, Boeing. Like to see it right around that 219 area.
Microsoft 1-to-1, approaching. Hey, nice. Come on.
The pullback. Question now, how long it's going to last.
Hopefully Microsoft will not bounce again above 271.50. My entry.
Oh boy, S&P is about to move to a new high. That was a very small pullback. So is the NASDAQ. That was quick. New highs, both sides. Not good.
Microsoft.
Wow. Watch Boeing here. My stop loss will be over the high.
Officially. But I think we already had a pullback.
Yeah, that's one small doji. It's a pullback in the Qs. You know, in days like this, where's Linda? We are always betting that maybe with such everything.
Come on, Boeing.
Yet,
All over the board.
hopefully.
It will join.
Come on, Boeing. Come on.
Oh,
Still holding Microsoft. I'm not going to close Microsoft, guys. No hard stop loss in Microsoft, okay? Wow.
okay. I thought maybe we're going to get a pullback at the point where we close the gap, but look at what's happening now. Guys,
Actually, 6.2, the estimates, or 6. Right? Supposed to be bad numbers, but
Maybe. I doubt it. Come on, Boeing. Stop fooling with us.
This could be. If that happens, then I'm going to be very sorry that I moved out of Boeing. But at that point, I feel like it was the right thing to do. Could change my mind in 5 minutes, or in 1 minute, or in 1.5 or half minute, or less. Oh, Boeing.
Come on, baby. 219.4. I'll
staying
take the
Microsoft.
point at 219.40 on Boeing.
Yeah, I should. Okay, PLTR. Both take my passion. PLTR.
There's the Boeing trade. Traders coming out of Boeing here. Half off Boeing. Going to let the half ride.
Bye, Microsoft. Watching the highs. I'm still holding.
Wow, NASDAQ accelerating, S&P. NASDAQ is up 0.7%, it was down 1.
Think you are.
We had a very small pullback, which immediately turned to be a doji and then a new high. And we moved over the resistance. That
Microsoft.
it was a very strong resistance area, and we moved over. So let's just say it very.
Microsoft with a big loss.
Traders just coming into the PLTR trade here. I'm a little bit late to the party here. Remember, 870 is our entry on PLTR. We talked about it in the selling it to me. Hopefully we get to 90 here, Meir.
Boeing.
Okay, Microsoft. First pullback.
JD looks quite good for a short. I saw it earlier. I think you're right. Should come down.
Come on, Boeing.
It's definitely
Beautiful move here. I'm taking this. I'm taking this opportunity to come out the rest of Boeing here, just under the just at 219.01, and I'm out buying to cover here at 219.01. Good trade, Meir. Thank you. Now on to PLTR. Yeah.
Well, I
I'm
did
not enjoying
just a little bit.
PLTR yet.
Another green candle. Okay, I will close my 50. No, but we need to wait for
Okay, trade.
Tesla's too extended to the upside right now.
Okay, traders. Two winning
Those
trades
S&Ps too
here,
extended.
and one trade that I'm in right now, PLTR. A green day to start here on this Tuesday. And traders, remember, we do have Thursday. We do have mentoring session on Thursday with Aggie, and then next week, Meir. I don't know if you knew this. Next week, Monday, is a market holiday, President's Day here in the States. So we are going to be off.
Yeah.
Markets closed. So Yogi, you'll have an extended holiday. Come on, PLTR. Do this for me.
Alpine, Tesla under 202.50 because the S&P moving to a new high. Yeah, I think you're right, Ashuni. I mean, small size, small risk. Assuming the market will pull back down from here.
Seth. I'm probably going to fly to Italy on March. Still don't know if I can afford it after this Microsoft movements.
I'm sure Tesla.
Market to fail waiting for Microsoft to fail. It's going to be a losing trade, right? But to cover it right now, my short will be exactly like buying Microsoft right now. And buying Microsoft right now, which is then if Microsoft will show me like it wants to move up again, then I'll close it. So I'm just waiting for a pullback. I'm not trying to make money, to earn money on this trade. I'm trying to lose less. Okay.
I'm going short RIVN under 1940. RIVN.
Wizard, probably, but I will wait for a pullback to close it.
Again, relatively small 25 cent stop loss. RIVN started very weak today. In red, moved up because of the market.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
about to
shit.
close.
S&P and NASDAQ
can't.
spiking to a new high. About to move out of Tesla over the highs.
PLTR, I'm not giving up on you till $9. Here.
Wow. The S&P and the Qs. I'm losing money, but it's nice to see. I mean, what a huge move. What a short squeeze, right? Like bad numbers. Come on, Wall Street. Should have known, you know? What a trap.
Come on, PLTR, looking great. 18 cents to go to $9.
Okay. I think we're about to see a red candle in the S&P and the Qs.
RIVN under 9.
Come on, LTR.
I'm about to close to cover Microsoft.
AMZN is close. Stop over the highs means approximately 25 cents stop loss.
Okay, Microsoft maybe under 274. I will close it with a big loss. But smaller than it was, okay.
Yep. Yeah, PLTR needs to get over that 890 here, and then 10 more cents and we're out of this trade.
If I'll take new trades, before a very long weekend and vacation. I don't want to lose money before vacation, so I'll wait. Only if I see something interesting, I'll go long or short. And now, of course, Microsoft will fail. Snowboarding, yes.
DBG, welcome. Meetings get in the way of having a good time.
We're going to short AI under 22. $0.50 target, 50 cents stop loss. We should get a market pullback from here. I don't have the courage to short again Tesla. Just walk. That candle today. Once we started moving up, that's the first red candle. Question now, How far are we going to come down?
I've closed all Boeing. Yep.
Scott, did you close
Yep.
all of your?
Watch that 219. It broke it once on the spike down here, but I would say 219 would be that line in the sand. Hopefully it goes under there for you. Come on, PLTR. Now's your time. $9 or bust on PLTR. PLTR.
PLTR doesn't stop looking for a new high. Can we have a decent pullback, please?
Yeah, I think we're watching a bull flag, you know, Meir?
Still nothing on this PLTR trade waiting now. Coin coming down. This could be a nice time to come long on the coin trade.
With the red candle from the highs, both in the S&P and the NASDAQ. The following candle is currently green. It's going to stay green and
For this crazy Tuesday.
Come on, Rian, under 1920, please.
PLTR just going sideways now. Going to be 59.50 on coin, 59.50 long, COIN. Immediately talking about targets, which will be right at 60, and stop loss will be under 59. So 1-to-1 ratio, 50 cents each side here, and I'm long the stock on coin.
Pullback may not be over, but was a green candle turned to be a dodgy, but we're still holding on the highs. Okay, Rivian. To 3 cents under 20. Was yeah, good. That's my target. Good, Rivian. A little bit more. Some more effort. Good. Good. Over 10, I'll take my partial.
Yeah. Microsoft also faded extremely close to my entry at my stop loss, but
To 1940. Still thinking about it. To 1930. Under to 1930.
I should have kept Microsoft. They need to know that it's going.
Not even trying to look weak. Market just came down from the highs and AI. Okay, the market continues to move down. Come on, AI, join.
Okay, I thought maybe we're going to see continuation.
So much more interesting pullback now. Yeah. Covering some more Rivian here.
It's coming up on that on the VWAP line right here. Hopefully we get this bounce.
Yeah, also a big pullback. I don't think Boeing wants to come down. It's a shame. I was hoping for a revenge trade.
Hmm. True.
I can complain only to one guy, which is my market, but
If it makes you feel better, again, I'm still slightly in red. Slightly. AI will reach my target, I will not be.
like something today. I don't know why. Yeah, ready guys, I'm about to explode.
That makes me think we may not want to get back to the highs today or continue with the uptrend. It's a big, strong pullback. Another 20 cents in AI, that's what I need. Around 20. Hey, Boeing's missing it. Maybe. I'm covering some more Rivian here. Because earlier we felt like the market is too extended to the upside. Now I feel the same, but to the downside.
Could be two losers back to back
The thing is,
now on coin and PLTR.
one of the interesting things about the market is failing when we're moving higher. When we're moving higher and we're too extended, it's quite easy to expect a pullback. But when we're moving down, fear is much stronger than greed. Much stronger than greed. Stop.
Microsoft. Actually, I'm following NVIDIA. Where is DVG? Maybe.
Yes, it's definitely becoming a V-shape formation, Shuni. Surprised if we're only going to bounce from the lows. I do want to see AI reaching my target before that, around 2150. Moved me to green territory. And AI could help now. Small bounce. and continues now. Well, maybe not. It's not enough today. Wow, continuation, both NASDAQ and the S&P.
Yep.
New low.
Still sitting in
Yeah, I should reach
PLTR.
my
That's my
target
only
now.
holding right now.
Boeing continues. Come on, AI before. Just before the market was back. Be nice. Nine. Leaving a bottom tail. S&P and NASDAQ. And Boeing, on the other hand, continues moving lower. Wow, nicely. What a pullback from the highs. Wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, no, only now I watch Tesla. Lydian, good job. My first calculation of the market pullback was winner in Boeing, although I could have had everything. But then the second trade in Boeing worked out, so I can't really complain. Rivian was read correctly and a winner. Pullback S&P 2, new lows. I'm going to get my partial in AI real soon. I hope. Come on, AI. Another 7 cents. And I will let you go. Boeing. Wow. now break 50. I was concerned about the 50 semi-whole number here. But the market just broke down. We touched the lows. Actually, we touched the new low, I believe. Wow. S&P new low. In AI. Getting small size and wow, Boeing. Reducing some more size in Boeing here. I'm
Take a look at the SPY right now. Down towards the bottom. I'm going to take a chance on coin though again here. COIN or so. But I am long the coin trade right now. COIN. Stop loss will be $56, so $1 on the stop loss here. Safe. It's going to be 58. Coin is going to be 58. $58 target. Okay. Come on. That's my target. I'm in it at 56.
We touched the new low. The S&P was under the lows. NASDAQ did not, was very close to the lows. Then we bounced just slightly, not much. Seems like we're having another red candle right now. It's a crazy day. We started down the NASDAQ 1%.
Yeah, a little bit of a downward move here on coin. I'm waiting on it. Yeah.
Boy, it doesn't stop. That's amazing. Oh, I just saw Google. It was on my list for a possible short. It was relatively weak. I just saw what it did. Stock that is red. It's extended to the downside, Kevin. Take a look at JD. Yeah, it still looks good for a short, yes. It's not too extended. It's relatively weak. No, Yogi just left, Richard.
Yeah, PLTR still sticking in there with this trade. We had a nice move up, bigger move down right now. Now I'll post the trade and take it here. This will be a small share size trade too, but it looks great here. If this market turns, this is where you want to be. No under. And we're going to have a 2-point move down, which will be 198. There's the 200. There's our long right now on Tesla. We'll see what we get here. Target's going to be 201 to start. Get it here. Let's get it. 201 to start. Probably take off 3/4 of the trade on the Tesla trade here. And if you're in the coin, we've got 50 cents on coin.
If you trust
50 cents on coin. Come on, Tesla.
Ali, if you it was, let's say it was quite clear that the market is going to pull down, pull back even halfway to the highs. Not very likely. More likely after this V-shaped formation that we're going to continue down. Traders, take a look at the S&P 500. It was a huge move. But now we have a V-shaped formation. This could have been expected. We got the bounce at the lows. We came out, actually we had a small bounce before that, and then we came down to the lows, but the lows is quite a big support. So we bounced it, touching a new low, just slightly, but touching a new low. What we are seeing now is supposed to fail. We're supposed to come down from here. So don't count on this pullback unless you're going for a scalp. If you're going for a scalp,
50 on the trade, just right in front of your eyes here. It only took us, what, about 2 minutes into this trade. And then secondly, the coin trade of the trade, really nice 2 trades right in front of us here. And that'll launch us into nicely green for the morning session here.
I think it's more likely the market will continue to come down, but I don't want to bet on that. Definitely. I had my share of winners and losers. The beginning of the trading session today, I had more losers than winners. Second trade, which is most of the profit here. PLTR was a trade I took earlier at the beginning of the trading session. It was for me after struggling for a bit, after being in red, made my way back to green. Yeah, there's a sound problem. I did not notice that, sorry. Another green day for me. Flying tomorrow to Israel, Scott, but it's early in the morning, so I should be on time for the trading session.
Well, it's 2 green days in a row. Vote yet? You're still thinking about it?
I'm making my homework, you know.
Yeah.
Seeing a lot, talking to a lot of brokers and manufacturers, which is the fun part is the shopping, you know. This process as long as possible. I don't plan to buy during the next few months. I'm gonna have some test sales, and then, you know, up to the point I'll make. Take a look at that. Guys, YouTube issues started yesterday. Clifton is away. Usually is the one who's in charge of broadcasting to YouTube, and he's away today to still.
And traders, I do want to thank Rex this morning. Again, this is what the room is all about, really sharing your trades. And had I mentioned to you guys and ladies that I did not have Tesla up on the monitor this morning. And when Rex posted it here, take a look at Tesla. Tesla looks strong, and I love the 200 level there on Tesla. Ended up taking that Tesla trade at 200. That was really great. Got out of the spike of coin here. Look at that. Nice move up. Came out of that trade as